For this avocado chocolate mousse recipe, you will need the fruit of 2 pitted avocados, 1 to 1.5 cups of pitted dates, approximately 1 cup of raw cacao powder, and approximately 1/2 cup of raw nut milk.
This recipe is super simple. We're going to blend together 4 ingredients and then we'll end up with avocado chocolate mousse. So first, in my high-speed blender, I'm adding in the avocado. Next, I'm adding in pitted dates, raw cacao powder, and just a little bit of fresh almond milk. I'll put the link for this recipe below. It just helps it blend into a creamier consistency. I'll put on my lid, turn on my blender, and I'm going to blend this for several minutes until I notice it becomes nice and creamy.
Here I'm blending my ingredients and using the tamper tool, which helps to process this thick mixture and fully incorporate all of the ingredients.
So you'll notice here that my chocolate is starting to become very creamy. Now I want my chocolate mousse to really resemble a dark chocolate. So I'm going to go ahead and add in some more raw cacao powder until this gets super delicious and dark chocolate. Now that my avocado chocolate mousse is all blended up and creamy, I'm going to take my spatula and scoop this into a large bowl. So now that all of my avocado chocolate mousse is scooped into my bowl, I'll get ready to show you a few options for serving. This is really good. Tastes like chocolate fudge. So that's how you make avocado chocolate mousse. Now it's super delicious and you can dress yours up however you'd like, and I've done mine in a few different ways. For this one, I've added some blackberries and some orange zest on top. This one just has dried shredded coconut, and the final one has orange peel with an almond crumble. For the almond crumble, I simply blend it up in my food processor, 1/2 cup of almonds, raw almonds, and 2 dates. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and that you can make it at home. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on all of my social media, and I hope to see you next time.